Cooks. Damn sedap. First, you prepare the ingredients before steaming. Heat the wok with a little oil and fry the onions, garlic, ginger, serai and pandan leaf. Mix until all the ingredients are evenly combined. And then you pour in the kat santan. Mix until evenly coated and transfer into your steamer for 30 minutes. Lightly fry the ikan bilis. Lightly fry the kacang. Time for the sambal. Add water to the cut dry chili. Boil them together. Prepare all the other ingredients and blend to puree. Pour the blended puree into the wok. And then you add the belacan and salt. Add the chili blend. Season to taste, up to you. Add the lime leaves. Let it simmer. Assemble the nasi lemak kukus and enjoy.